In order to get to the pathway to find your workstations, you need to go to Google Classroom, go down to Ms. Ray's website, launch the website, click on the red Weekly Learning Pathways, and under Workshop Pathway, you see that it's November 16th through the 20th, so this is for the whole week. You will see where you can click on the day of the week. If today is Monday, you see that Ms. Ray is meeting with the green group. The other students should click on the red button that says click here. The button may be red, it may be yellow, it may be green, it may be blue. This brings you to your workshop for the day. You see you have station 1, a review video. Click on the video over here. You see the red star? The red star means this is the work that you need to do. So after you watch the video, click on the red star. This is the work that's going to be due. So if I click on this, it's going to bring me to my class assignment. I'm going to complete the assignment and make sure I hit turn in work. Then I'm going to go back to the weekly pathway. Be sure to X out of your tabs after you've turned in your work. I'm going to go to station 2, watch the review video. Then I'm going to do the red star. All the review video is review the learning that we did last week in order for you to be able to do the assignment. So you see you have 2 red stars this time that need to be completed. Sometimes the red stars may be work that you have to turn in. It may be a game. You may not have a video. It may be that you have a game and you have some work to do. So please make sure you do all the work. Down here you see for today it is station 3 read theory and you have your 15-minute timer. This station may be different the next day. You're going to have to read, pay attention, and make sure that you turn in all assignments. Now, once you've completed all of this work, you may then go to the early finishers. So you click to go to the next slide. On the next slide, this is telling you to go back to your classroom, and in the classroom under class work, you will see classroom, library, early finishers. So I'm going to go over back to my Google Classroom. This is the stream. Click on the tab that says classwork. Here you see you have your classroom, library, and early finishers work. You should not be on the classroom, library, or early finishers if you've not completed the work that is for your station 1, 2, and 3. So you have early finishers websites. You're welcome to go to any of the websites that are listed under the early finishers website. You can click on libraries, and in here I have our 4 classroom libraries where you can read digital books. And if you've read a book twice, you may click on the accelerated reader and log in and take an accelerated reader test. The last site or option that you have is Ms. Glover's website. So you can go to Ms. Glover's website and do play the games or watch videos or read books on her website. You are to do this until the breakout room closes. It does say to stop and meet back at 10:05, but that's just, I will let you know because the breakout rooms will close when it's time. So do not come back to the main room because it's 10:05. Just be mindful that all the work in your stations, these stations need to be done before 10:05, okay?